If your thermostat temperature is bouncing all over the place, it's probably messing with your comfort and energy bills big time. So, first off, you want to check if your thermostat needs calibration. Sometimes it just gets out of whack and thinks it's hotter or colder than it really is. You can usually recalibrate it yourself by following the manual, or look up a quick tutorial online for your model. Next, the sensor inside might be faulty or dirty, which can cause those weird temperature jumps. Swapping it out or cleaning it can do wonders. Also, don't forget to peek around your thermostat for any drafts from windows or doors. Those sneaky breezes can trick the sensor into thinking the room temperature is different than it actually is. If you catch any drafts, seal them up with weather stripping or caulk. Another thing is placement. If your thermostat is near a heat source like a lamp, television, or direct sunlight, it's gonna read wrong. Moving it to a better spot helps a lot. And hey, keep your HVAC system maintained because if it's struggling, the thermostat might act weird too. Regular filter changes and tune-ups keep everything running smooth. One of the biggest problems with thermostat temperature fluctuations is not calibrating the thermostat properly, which leads to inaccurate readings and uneven heating or cooling. Fix this by following the manufacturer's calibration steps carefully or getting a pro to help. Another common mistake is ignoring the thermostat sensor, which can get dirty or fail over time. Cleaning or replacing the sensor usually solves the issue fast. The third issue is placing the thermostat in a bad spot where drafts or heat sources interfere with its readings. Relocating the thermostat away from windows, vents, and electronics can stop the wild temperature swings. BigHomeProjects.com is clutch for anyone trying to find solid local contractors you can actually trust for your home projects. Contractors get connected with people who need their skills, making it easier to find steady work without all the hassle of marketing themselves.